Well, this is Austin. It's only going to take us a minute or two to drive through it. Oh, look at that, some kind of international, I don't know, it's a hotel or what there. Who knows here. Pretty old buildings. Speed limit's like 25 going through here, which is good. The Owl Club. Woo, 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 woo. It's the Owl Club. Tortoise Capital. Gold Jewelry Quartz. Another old building over here. Trump 2024. All right, all right. Okay. Stark Austin Courthouse is up here on the right. And there it is. I don't know if you can see it. We're passing by. Not going to stop. Not going to stop. Saw the castle. That was good enough. Courthouse, just a building. I don't think you can go inside. Nothing special. No courts going on. No big trials. So that was it. Okay, we're done with Austin now. All right. Just left Austin, and there's still snow up here. Still snow right here. Unbelievable. Wow, another marker. The Surveyors. Numerous surveys for the new United States after 1848. Looking for railway routes, military relationships, water transport, wagon roads. Nevada Territory, in part, was the site of two notable surveys. Honey Lake, blah, blah, blah. You got more Captain Lander. That's why this is Lander County, I guess. He was a pretty popular fellow. But not much here. Bulldozer or a road grader, whatever. And this is the turnoff. And winds are picking up. It looks like could be a bathroom or something over there. I don't know what that is, or campsite. I don't know. I didn't see any signs for that. And there's a little grove of trees here. I don't know what's there. But I was going to take the drone up, but winds are picking up here. Then they die for a few minutes, then they pick back up again. So who knows?